Good morning, students and families. Hope you're well and safe. It's me, Mrs. Mabry, your friendly neighborhood language arts teacher. We are going to do a tutorial today on identifying claims, reasons, and evidence. We're going to start by identifying a strong claim versus a weak, not a claim fact. And the way to remember this is strong claim equals opinion. Weak, not a claim equals a fact. So we're going to look for keywords like should, or let's just go ahead and start the example here so you can see. Self-driving cars should only be allowed on freeways, not on city streets. Again, should is our key word, that is a claim. And so we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Bullying existed before smartphones and social media sites became popular. Of course. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Bullying has been going on since the beginning of time. We have weak, not a claim, it's a fact. Okay. And then the next example is here. Many teenagers rely on text messaging rather than talking on the phone to communicate with friends. We can prove that. Okay. That is a fact. All right. So it's weak, not a claim. All right. Team sports are popular curricular activities for middle and high school students in the United States. I think this is a fact. It is. It's weak, not a claim. Here we go. Now, the next one, it's a little bit boring, and that's why it is weak. Look at this example. In this paragraph, I will describe NASA's $18 billion budget for 2015. Now, as you probably learned earlier in your middle school career in 6th and 7th grade, you don't write about your writing, you just write it. So you would start with NASA's $18 billion budget for 2015 is important. And you would go from there. You want and say, in this paragraph, I will describe. Therefore, this is weak. All right. And let's take a look at the next one. The following section will discuss why some teenagers wear makeup to school. Again, the following section will discuss. It's weak, people. You don't need to write about your writing. Just write it. And most nurses in the United States are underpaid. I think this is an opinion because I feel like they make pretty good money, but that's just my opinion. To keep their readers' trust, tabloid magazines should avoid writing false stories about celebrities. Keyword should. As you know, should means opinion. Here we go. And this is what I really want to show you, my friends. This looks like a race paragraph, and you really have to follow a pattern, okay? So I'm turning the highlight button on. Claim is yellow. That's your thesis. That's always going to be first. Evidence is pink. We're going to search right now for evidence. As you can see, the Environmental Protection Agency reports that nationwide landscape irrigation uses up to 9 billion gallons of water each day. That shows a fact, some evidence. And then the rest of this paragraph is reasoning. Lawn watering is not a basic necessity. It requires a lot of water, and that supports why state governments should not allow residents to water their lawns during droughts. And last but not least, your last reasoning, during a water shortage, state governments should get involved to put this water to better use serving residents' actual needs. There you have it, my friends. This is the tutorial on how to identify claim, reason, and evidence, and also to identify strong claims versus weak claims. This is Mrs. Mabry signing off, and stay safe and warm, everybody. Bye-bye.